Welcome back. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell notification button next to it. You'll be notified of any new uploads. I've not put any videos out for a while. Basically, it's been raining or we've been busy. But one bit of kit has turned up and it is life-changing. If anyone has got a mini digger, you need to get yourself one of these. I will show you what it is now. That's right, it's a grapple. Ordered this a while ago and it eventually turned up. I won't go into the story. But I got it welded on. We had dramas with the welder packed up, it blew a fuse. Then the wire was getting stuck inside the trigger, so I ended up having to stick weld it on. I'm not going to show you the welds because it looks like pigeon shit, but it's doing the job. It's held on. I've been out using the grapple for a good couple of days now and it's not fallen off, so that's a good sign. So that's pretty much it, and we'll get some footage. Today we're going to go down in the woods. I've pulled a hell of a lot of trees out in the woods. Today we're going to go down. Tina's going to be on the chainsaw. I'm going to be picking the trees up with a grapple. Tina's going to cut any side branches off. We're going to cut it into 6 foot lengths, and the neighbour's having it for firewood. So we're doing a bit of a good deed for the neighbour because they keep bringing us eggs, so we'll get them some firewood. So if you're watching this, you lot down the road. And that's about it, really. We're gonna stack it up, and when they come with their trailer, I can just pick it up, plop it in their trailer. If his car will get down the field, because it does go downhill over there. I was saying that it's quite dry, and he's got quite a low car. I think it's a Rover 75 or something. If he does struggle, we'll just let him use the Range Rover. But that's the plan. So I'll just get Tina on the digger. She can put the grapple through its motions, and then I'll clip the camera up on the digger and we'll get some action shots. Pick the arm up. Go on. Right one. Yeah, pull it back. Right, now do the bucket open and close. And closed. And open it again. Whoa, stop there. I can grease it up at that. So that's how it moves. It's just on the bucket pins and it relies on this welded bar. I'm going to grease it up now, and then we'll make our way down to the field. Alright, so we're on the digger. It's a glorious day. They've said it's going to be about 22 degrees today. I think it's going to be more than that.
Yeah, it's about 22 already.
So yeah, because I've got the transport as it was, Tina's loading me up with all her tools. Just as well I don't need my feet space, because are you carrying the chainsaw?
Yeah, I think so.
We'll get started up and we'll crack on. button. So as you can see, the grapple is bloody amazing. It picks up quite a lot. Yesterday I pushed over a cherry tree. It was quite a big one, heavier than digger. Picked it up and managed to drag it out of the garden. That's on the bonfire pile. We're going to be chopping up the cherry tree because that's quite good wood for burning or sticking on the wood lathe, which, you know, I've got a wood lathe. So this lot is all chestnut. There's some wild cherry, a bit of oak, and I think that's about it really. But as I say, it's all going for firewood. We don't need it, we've got central heating, so mark up the roads having it. And yeah, it's just I've had quite a few days in the woods. I'll get some footage when it's all cleared out and it looks really nice. You can see now we've got the big specimen trees. We've still left some of the chestnuts in there because we don't want it too sparse. But so yeah, we've left the big trees. We've got silver birch and oak, and there's some pine trees in there as well. We're just clearing out all the rubbish where everything's grown really close together. It's just grown straight up. A lot of it is standing dead, and I've just been able to go up to it and push it over, and the roots have come out as well. So as you can see, this grapple is worth its weight in gold. So I hope you like this video. Please click the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And from me and Tina sat in the shade having a little drink. Hello Tina. It's bye for now.